Hello, this is Joelle, and I want to show you how to use Infinite Campus to send out a batch of emails such as parent-teacher conference reminder emails. So if you come over here to the Message Center, from Message Center you'll want to click New. Class message is correct, but you want to switch it to Teacher High School. And if this is going to be a current message, it would be new, but maybe you have saved a previous format. Otherwise, for this parent-teacher conference, this would be new. And I'm going to send emails. I can pick my delivery date and my time. And here, sender email, probably would want to change it to your own email so that if they reply, it comes to you. You can enter subject. And for the message, you might recall that Steve Mormon sent a template. So you can just, oops, it's down here. Copy this template. Control-C, copy, come back and paste it here. Here's one thing I do want to point out. Sometimes the format gets funky, like it adds these extra returns, so you might need to fix that. Once you have that fixed and you've changed your own name here, then you want to go to Next, or Save if this is something that you want to send out more than once. Next. And then I recommend you click Expand All, go to the correct quarter, and then check all the classes that you want the email to go out to. And very important, you got to click Student Messenger Contacts. That's who they know to send it to. Click Next. And then here it is. If this looks correct and you have a recipient count here, make sure this doesn't say 0. If this says 0 here, then something went wrong. And then you can just click Send. I'm not going to click Send because that's Steve's information, but that's how you would do just this message.